let's look at how you'll find the book once you've searched for them in the Evergreen catalog. Here's my example. I searched for turtle in the search box. That was my search term. And I'm searching by keyword. I'm really interested in anything about turtles. The format I searched for was books. I want something that I can physically hold and look through. And I'm looking at all of the Cumberland County libraries. Scrolling down, I can see that there's many options. This one looks interesting. Sea Turtle Scientist by Stephen R. Swinburne. If I wanted to pick up this book, I would need to look here. From this information, I can see that there are 3 copies, one at the North Regional Library, one at the West Regional Library, and one at Cliffdale. The status here on the right side tells me that the first 2 are available, but the book at Cliffdale Library is currently checked out. So, my options, if I wanted to pick up the book now, are to go to West Regional or North Regional branch. West Regional is closer for me, so I could go there. I would need to next look at the shelving location, and I can see that this book is in the Juvenile Nonfiction Collection, and that the call number has some numbers in it. It's J5979298. Now remember, the S that's at the end of this call number stands for the S in the author's last name, Swinburne. So at West Regional Library, I could find the Juvenile Nonfiction Collection, and in those shelves, I would look for J597 decimal point 928S. Now, some books don't have the numbers in their call number. Some of them actually have letters. Let's look at this one. Turtle and Me by Robbie H. Harris. This story is available at Cumberland Headquarters and East Regional. The shelving location is in the easy books. When you think of easy books, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're easy, simple books for babies. It just means that they're picture books. That's what that stands for. The call number is E, which stands for easy, and Harris. If you were thinking Harris comes from the author's last name, you were correct. Now, you'll see to the right of this video, there are other collections as well. E-Reader stands for Easy Reader, or as we sometimes call it, Beginning Reader. Those are the books that have the numbers on them, like Level 1, Level 2, Level 3. We also have a J Fiction collection. The Juvenile Nonfiction Collection was the one with the call number that actually had numbers in it. J Fiction, juvenile fiction, is organized like the e-books by the author's last name. So to the right you can see that my example is J. Holm. Holm would be the author's last name. But if you have any questions finding these books on the shelf, or you're confused about how this works, a librarian or other staff at any of the library branches can help explain it to you, and we have some awesome bookmarks that we can share with you too. Don't be afraid to ask.